Hey everyone, Cito here, back for part 3, and this time we're going to be reviewing the moss sent to me by the Moss Fairy, so come join me. Straight from the UK, guys, we have a package from Morgan, who is also known as the Moss Fairy. She sent me this package. It took a while to deliver, but it actually made it just last night, and we are now going to be adding it. So I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing just to see what we got here, and ooh, micro cushion moss, some instructions, and looks like we're good to go. All right, let's see what this moss is about. All right, let's pop it open. Look at that. Ooh, nice assortment that we've got. And ooh, look at that. A couple of different patterns. Very nice. In the back room. Okay, right before we add the moss in the terrarium, just giving the moss a little rinse before we add it, just to make sure there's no hijackers along the way. There you go. Nice and clean. And yes, that person talking in the background, if you're wondering, yes, I'm watching the Ben Shapiro show. In this clip, you'll notice the clumps have been diced into smaller pieces. And the reason for that is I wanted to make sure that some of the areas of the Mossarium that were a little smaller and tighter needed more coverage for that, and having to put the whole big clump just didn't work. So by dicing it into smaller bits, it helped cover the ground it needed.
It's why people just don't want to listen to CNN anymore. You could ask him. Trump at a press conference, and some kind of high school junior high. The media are everyone's an idiot. Okay, rule of the day: everyone's a moron. Facts don't care about your feelings, and it's a fact that the Ben Shapiro Show is the largest conservative podcast in the nation. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our content.
Little tuck here, little tuck there. So far, so good. Yeah. A couple more areas need to be covered. But so far, it's looking really, really good. I'm going to have to obviously drain a little bit of the excess water that you see there. And that'll come later. But very, very impressed so far.
It's called several thousand years of no human development. And then
okay, so I've just completed adding all the bits and pieces from Moss Fairy's collection here. As you can see, it's all in the Mossarium. And in the next couple of weeks, we wait to see where it takes us. So far, so good. What I usually do overnight is I would soak the Mossarium so that the humidity levels would rise. So you get a little puddle going on, but that's okay. But the next morning, I'm going to drain it. Again, this is just to maintain the humidity levels. You do have to close the latch to maintain the humidity. So right now it's drowning, but that's part of the plan. We drain tomorrow morning. Okay, day 23 of my Mossarium update. Today is Friday, April 3rd. Just wanted to show everybody the progress with the moss that we've added just a couple of days ago from the Moss Fairy. Just to show you, it's looking mean and green, looking nice. There's some there. There's some over on this side as well. Right over here. Yeah, looking very, very nice. So there we have it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it for, say, a week or two, and we'll compare the results from there on in. But again, I just wanted to show everybody a quick update. Again, today is Friday, April 3rd, day 23 of the Mossarium journey. So come join me in a week's time. I'll do another update. Guys, if you haven't gotten a chance, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you haven't gotten a chance, do check out my Instagram at instagram.com/sideshowcedo for more updates, and I will see you then. Thanks for watching.